Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tech Sensory Solutions. Today's episode focuses on Bluetooth technology. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology that allows devices to exchange data over short distances using radio waves. It is commonly used to connect devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, headphones, smartwatches, speakers, and other peripheral devices without the need for cables or wires. Bluetooth operates in the 2.4 GHz ISM industrial, scientific, and medical radio band, a frequency range that is shared with other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and microwave ovens. Bluetooth works through a process called frequency hopping spread spectrum, FHSS, which means that it rapidly changes frequencies to minimize interference and avoid congestion on a single channel. Here's a simplified breakdown of how it works. 1. Device pairing. For Bluetooth devices to communicate, they must first pair. This involves one device initiating the connection and the other device responding. Pairing usually requires a code or PIN to ensure security. 2. Establishing a connection. Once paired, devices can exchange data. Bluetooth establishes a connection by creating a small local network called a piconet. A piconet can support up to 7 active devices with one master device and up to 6 slave devices. The master device controls the communication and timing. 3. Data transmission. Bluetooth transmits data in the form of packets. The frequency hopping mechanism ensures that the signal is transmitted over different frequencies, reducing the likelihood of interference from other wireless devices operating on the same frequency band. 4. Low power consumption. Bluetooth is designed to operate on low power, making it suitable for battery-powered devices like wireless headsets and fitness trackers. There are different power modes like Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE that optimize energy usage. 5. Range. Bluetooth typically has a range of about 10 meters, 33 feet, although this can vary depending on the device and environment. Bluetooth 5.0 and beyond can support longer ranges, up to 100 meters, 328 feet, in ideal conditions. The technology behind Bluetooth was developed by Ericsson, a Swedish telecommunications company. In the mid-1990s, the development was led by Jaap Hartson, an engineer at Ericsson. The goal was to create a wireless communication standard that could replace cables used for connecting devices, particularly in mobile phones and personal computers. The name Bluetooth was chosen as a tribute to King Harald Bluetooth Gormson, a Viking king of Denmark and Norway, known for uniting different tribes. The name symbolized the goal of uniting different devices wirelessly. In 1998, Bluetooth Special Interest Group SIG was formed, consisting of companies such as Ericsson, Intel, Nokia, and Toshiba, to promote and develop the Bluetooth standard. Since then, Bluetooth technology has evolved with numerous updates, leading to the modern, widespread version we use today. Key Bluetooth milestones. 1. 1994. Bluetooth concept introduced by Ericsson. 2. 1998. Bluetooth Special Interest Group SIG formed. 3. 2000. First Bluetooth 1.0 specification released. 4. 2003. Bluetooth 2.0 introduced, adding enhanced data rate EDR. 5. 2010. Bluetooth Low Energy BL introduced as part of Bluetooth 4.0. 6. 2016. Bluetooth 5.0 launched, offering longer range and faster data speeds. 7. 2020. Bluetooth 5.2 introduced, with enhancements like LE Audio and multi-stream support. Bluetooth continues to evolve, with newer versions offering higher data rates, better energy efficiency, and increased range. Difference between other technologies, Bluetooth, wireless connections, and other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and NFC each serve distinct purposes and have different use cases, speeds, ranges, and power requirements. Here's a breakdown of how Bluetooth compares to these other technologies. 1. Bluetooth versus wireless connections. General. The term wireless connection is broad and can refer to any communication method that does not use physical cables. It can include technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, satellite communication, and more. To compare Bluetooth with other wireless connections, we need to focus on the key characteristics that make Bluetooth unique. Purpose. Bluetooth is specifically designed for short-range communication between devices like headphones, smartphones, computers, keyboards, etc. It typically connects 2 to 7 devices at a time in a small network called a piconet. Other wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, cellular networks, and satellite communications serve broader purposes, including internet access, data transfer over long distances, and mobile phone connectivity. Range: Bluetooth has a relatively short range, typically about 10 meters (33 feet) for most devices. This is ideal for personal area network span. Some newer Bluetooth versions, like Bluetooth 5.0, can extend the range up to 100 meters (328 feet), but it is still limited compared to other wireless technologies. Wi-Fi, for example, can have a much longer range up to 100 meters or more in ideal conditions, making it suitable for home or office networks. Cellular networks for 5G provide coverage over miles or even larger areas, allowing devices to connect across cities and countries. Data speed: Bluetooth generally supports lower data transfer speeds compared to other wireless technologies. Bluetooth 5.0 can offer up to 2 Mbps megabits per second, while newer versions like Bluetooth 5.2 can reach speeds up to 3 Mbps. Wi-Fi speeds are much faster, with modern Wi-Fi 6 800 to 0.11ax reaching speeds of up to 9.6 Gbps gigabits per second in ideal conditions. Power consumption: Bluetooth is optimized for low power consumption, making it ideal for battery-powered devices like headphones, fitness trackers, and IoT devices. Wi-Fi generally consumes more power, which is why it is often used in devices connected to power sources, for example, laptops, smartphones, smart home hubs. Cellular networks, especially older ones like 3G and 4G, also tend to use more power than Bluetooth. 2. Bluetooth versus Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both wireless communication technologies, but they are optimized for different tasks. Range: Bluetooth typically ranges from 10 to 100 meters, depending on the version and environment. Wi-Fi can range from 30 meters indoors to several hundred meters outdoors, with greater coverage available using modern routers or mesh networks. Data rate: Bluetooth has slower data transfer rates. Bluetooth 5.0 supports speeds of up to 2 Mbps, while Bluetooth 5.2 can go up to 3 Mbps. Wi-Fi supports much faster speeds. Wi-Fi 5.8 to .11 AC supports speeds up to 3.5 Gbps, and Wi-Fi 6 800 to 0.11ax can reach 9.6 Gbps. Purpose and use: Bluetooth is ideal for personal area network spans and direct device-to-device connections. It is typically used for connecting peripheral devices like headphones, speakers, keyboards, mice, or connecting sensors in the Internet of Things (IoT). Wi-Fi is designed for larger-scale data transfers, like internet access, streaming, and file sharing. It creates a local area network LAN or connects to the Internet through a router. Power consumption: Bluetooth consumes far less power and is more suited to battery-operated devices, especially Bluetooth Low Energy BLE, which is used in wearables and IoT devices. Wi-Fi uses more power and is typically used in devices that are plugged into a power source, like laptops, smart TVs, and routers. 3. Bluetooth versus cellular networks, for example. For 5G, while Bluetooth connects devices over short ranges, cellular networks like 4G and 5G are designed to provide long-range wireless communication, typically for smartphones, tablets, and mobile internet. Range: Bluetooth is limited to a few meters to 100 meters. Cellular networks provide coverage across cities, countries, and even globally, depending on the network, for example 4G and 5G networks. Speed: Bluetooth is relatively slow, with speeds up to 3 Mbps. 4G offers speeds of up to 1 Gbps, and 5 grams can exceed 10 Gbps under optimal conditions. Power consumption: Bluetooth is optimized for low power use, especially BLE, which is ideal for small, battery-powered devices. Cellular networks tend to consume more power, especially when transmitting over long distances. However, they provide much greater coverage and high-speed data. Use cases: Bluetooth is ideal for local, low-power connections, for example, headphones, fitness trackers, wireless keyboards. Cellular networks are used for long-range mobile communication, internet access, and voice calls. 4. Bluetooth versus NFC near-field communication. NFC is another wireless technology that competes with Bluetooth for certain use cases, especially in short-range communication. Range. Bluetooth has a range of 10 to 100 meters depending on version. NFC has an extremely short range, typically about 4 centimeters to 10 centimeters, 1.5 to 4 inches, designed for very close-range communication. Data speed. Bluetooth offers faster data speeds than NFC. The LUETOOTH can transmit data at 2 to 3 Mbps, whereas NFC speed is much slower, usually around 424 kbps. Power consumption. Bluetooth uses low power, but is designed for ongoing connections. NFC consumes even less power, as it only activates when two devices are brought extremely close together, making it ideal for things like contactless payments and smart cards. Use cases. Bluetooth is used for ongoing device-to-device communication, such as connecting headphones, speakers, and peripherals. NFC is used for short interactions, such as payment systems, for example Apple Pay, Google Wallet, ticketing, and pairing devices by tapping them together. Thanks for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. If you want more content like this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. Until next time, may legends be born.